All right, guys, I wanted to explain one more thing. When you're doing a circle and you're adjusting, I know you want to hit Shift A. So I'm going to hit A to get the release, Shift A. Okay, so if you're tracing something, I know you're going to think, oh, well, I'll just do the circle option for the mesh primitive. But the problem with that is when you do the circle, there's a lot more anchor points to that. So it's better to go to curve, then go to circle, and use that instead. Okay, so that's just a little tip, like when you're making, so if I do this circle here, I get this, and when I go to edit mode, I can just remove the normals, because I can't stand those, and then you get the 4 anchor points. If I hit A, you can see that. I'm going to hit off of that. I'm going to go to object mode and hit A. So let's see what happens. So if I go Shift A, but this time I want to add a mesh, and I do a circle, and then I go to edit mode. I mean, it's just hard because you'd have to adjust every single point. If like this is not a perfect circle, it's almost like it's kind of smashed, like squeezed in a little bit. Excuse me. So the best option is to do your Shift A. Oops, hit A, Shift A. Go back to object mode, hit A, Shift A, and do your curve, do your circle option.